Very good morning to all of you. Yes, right. Chilo, let's continue our discussions. And we have a great announcement from Unacademy. And so we are providing the great scholarship for the toppers. You can see now here the student who got this as the rank of 1 to 500 in GATE last year rank will get 90% scholarship. And so here 501 to 1000 will get 50% scholarships, and up to 3000 will get a 33% discount. 5000 fellows will get 25% discount, and the student who has cleared ESC main, those fellows will get 90% of scholarship, and ESC prelims clear kiya, so 50% scholarship. And if you belongs to the top university, so 80% of the percentage university exams will get 50% discount, and IITs NIT student 33% discount. NIRF students will get 33% discount. Right. So then if you are belongs to this category, you can avail this opportunity to get the Unacademy subscription. Right. And by using the code of BV Reddy. By using the code of BV Reddy, use this code of BV Reddy. Voice Kamara. Yes, is my voice is clear? Is the voice is clear? गौरव चेक करके बोलिए. ESC, so this thing here, ESC इंटरव्यू भी होगा ना, ESC इंटरव्यू भी होगा ना. Hello, is this voice is clear now अभी? Yes, yes, चलो, let's continue now here. And the students, these are the students of Unacademy. Yeah, so all these toppers, now all those are from the IITs and NITs only. The top rankers are getting now. So up to top 100, top 10, all those fellows are IIT, NIT students only. And these are the top rankers from GATE 2023. Most of the top rankers from belongs to the IITs, NITs only. And there are the new batches we are starting for EC electrical ke liye. You can have a look at here. From July 13th onwards, we are starting the new batches. We are starting. You can find the top educators team from EC electrical. And I already announced now from 27th July onwards, we are starting the engineering maths. And here are the books. The students who have taken iconic subscription, for them you will get these books. EC and electrical career for free of cost. You can plan the Unacademy subscription with no cost EMI, and by using the code of BV Reddy. With the help using the code of BV Reddy, you can get great opportunities. Right. चलो हम शुरू करेगा. Last class, how many problems we have completed? Tell me. Last class, how many problems we have completed? यदि हमने सेंचुरी कंप्लीट किया हमने, isn't it? How many problems we have completed? Yes. Yes. Take the next problem. Take the next problem. Take this next problem. A box contains 15 blue balls, yes, and 45 black balls. If two balls are selected randomly without replacement, the probability of an outcome in which the first selected is blue and the second selected is a black ball. Tell me now, first ball must be a blue, second ball must be a black ball. Tell me the options. We have a 15 blue balls are there and 45 black balls are there. Two balls we have selected now one after other without replacement. So tell me now here, एक ball, so here blue से लेना पड़ेगा 15C1. Yes, by how much it is total 60C1. Right. Next, and 45. So 45C1 by what you tell me now? 59C1 now? 59C1. So that is how much we can say here? 15 by 60 into 45 by 59. Yes. Simplify, tell me now here. That is 15 fourths now here. So what I will get, you tell me now, 45 by 236 now. Done. Next one. A fair coin with head on one face. A box contains the following three coins. The first one is a good coin. Okay. Second one is a coin with heads on both faces, both side head only, like a Amitabh coin. And third one is a coin with two tails. Right. Now see this thing, what they are asking. A coin is picked randomly from the box and tossed. Out of the two remaining coins in the box, one coin is picked randomly and tossed. If the first toss is head, the probability of getting the head in the second toss. Okay. Understood the problem first of all here? Out of the two remaining coins, if the coin is picked randomly, if the first time toss is head, and second time toss must be also head only, I should get. Okay. Now you tell me, they already given first time the probability of what they given now here. First time toss is head, I need to get second time also, I need to get head only, I should get. This is the thing they are asking to find a conditional probability. First time he is head, if the second time is head, we should get, given that first time is head only. They already mentioned now, if the first time is head, मुझे पहली बार head मिला, and second time also we need to get head only. Now you can tell me now what we can do. So this is, which could be given as P of H2 intersection H1 by P of H1. एक कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी तो करना पड़ेगा. Right. Now you tell me now, what is the H1 intersection H2, you tell me. What is the H1 intersection H2? That means first time is head and second time is also head, we should get. It's a joint probability. Now we'll find the joint probability. Tell me now, probability of getting the first time head and second time also head only we should get. Tell me now here. Is both face per head? अरे यार ऐसा मत सोचो यार, ऐसा मत सोचो इधर. So they given अब मानना पड़ेगा. So both sides head only is there. The coin contains both side head only is there. Yes आपका. So here आपने so शोले देखा कि नहीं? शोले देखा कि नहीं? अमिताभ कॉइन. हाँ देखो जाके शोले पिक्चर देखो, अमिताभ का कॉइन जैसा होगा. Now you tell me now first time. So in a box, yes. Now so इस box में we have a 3 coins are there, right? And first one is a good coin, first one is a fair coin, and second one is a another one is a two-headed coin. One coin is a two-headed coin, and one coin contains two tails. Yes or no? This is the scenario. पहली बार मैंने एक कॉइन ले लिया. I have taken one coin. So here first time I have taken one coin. अगर पहली बार हमको fair coin मिला, पहली बार हमको fair coin मिला, you tell me now what is the probability here? What is the probability to get the head from that? H1 intersection H2. What is the probability of getting the head from that coin, you tell me? Yes, I have 3 coins are there. First I have get the one coin. Let us say fair coin mila. Probability of getting a fair coin is 1 by 3. And if I select a fair coin mila, what is the probability of getting head from fair coin is, tell me? That is 1 by 2. That is first time. First time. That means I have taken the fair coin is over. Fair coin is over. Next, abhi, yes, they mentioned that what they mentioned now here. Out of the remaining two coins, now I have taken the fair coin, we have taken the remaining coins are these two are the remaining coins. And what is the let us say I got this coin, what is the probability of getting this coin or two-headed coin? That is 1 by 2. And probability of getting the head from the two-headed coin, so both side head, अगर मैंने टॉस किया तो जरूर हेड मिलेगा ना. टेल मी. इट इज अ श्योर इवेंट. हाँ ना बोल. समझ में आया? सो मैंने क्या कंसिडर किया? सो सी द थिंग ना, पैटर्न मैंने क्या कंसिडर किया? सो हियर फर्स्ट टाइम हमको फेयर कॉइन मिला, फर्स्ट टाइम. नेक्स्ट फर्स्ट टाइम फेयर कॉइन मिला तो सेकेंड टाइम let us say we got the two-headed coin. This is one combination. Plus first time fair coin mila and second time two-tail coin. Yes, totally how many combinations? Or 6 combinations are there now. Next, and first time it is a two-headed coin hai to first time two-headed coin and second time fair coin and two-headed coin first time and second time two-tail coin, isn't it? And first time two-tail coin hai to yes, second time fair coin plus two-headed coin and two-tail coin and two-headed coin, isn't it? Understood the combinations now here? These are many combinations are possible. So all these combinations we are going to analyze it now here. So this is the first combination. Now tell me. This is the first combination हमने किया. Next tell me now here. Now tell me now next one here. Tell me now next one here. First time fair coin. fair coin का probability getting it is a 1 by 3. If I got a fair coin, if I toss a fair coin, probability of getting the head from the fair coin is what you tell me? 1 by 2. Next, second time, so here what we have taken, you tell me now here two-headed coin and two-tail coin. What is the probability of getting a two-tail coin? You tell me 1 by 2. Now pick the two-tail coin. From the two-tail coin, if I toss it now here, what's the probability of getting the head from the two-tail coin? So here head कभी भी नहीं मिलेगा ना two-tail coin से, कभी भी नहीं मिलेगा, head नहीं मिलेगा ना. Plus, and tell me a third combination now here. Probability of getting a two-headed coin is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 probability. Next, probability of getting the head from this coin, two-head coin is 1 by 1 only na directly. So definitely head मिलेगा. Why? Because both side head only. And second time के लिए बोलो, fair coin लेने का probability chances are, tell me now, 1 by 2. And then head का probability is 1 by 2. Next, third one complete. Fourth one, coming to fourth one, tell me here. Two-headed coin probability is 1 by 3 and head probability is 1 only. Head probability is both side head only na. Head probability is 1. Next now two-tail coin probability is 1 by 2. Head probability 0. Fourth one completed. Coming to fifth one. Tell me the two-tail probability is what to tell me coin, that is 1 by 3 and probability of getting the head from that is 0. Head कभी भी नहीं आएगा ना इसको, 0. Next, here fair coin probability लेने का probability is 1 by 2 and fair coin, so head from this is 0, 1 by 2. Anyway, this term will become 0. Two-tail probability is 1 by 3 लेने के लिए and head के लिए 0 आई. Two head probability is, tell me now, 1 by 2 and here head probability is 1. ये बात क्लियर हो गया बोलो सभी को? ये बढ़िया प्रॉब्लम है. समझ में आया कि नहीं? ये वाला ना इसमें. So look at here what are the coins I have, tell me now here. I have a fair coin is there, two-headed coin and two-tail coin is there. Tell me the combination what I can take now here. Fair coin and this is one combination and fair coin and two-tail, this is one combinations. That what? First fair coin, second one is two-headed coin. Fair and two-headed, fair and two-tail. Next one is what now here? Two-headed coin and fair coin, this is one combinations. Two-headed coin and two-tail coin, this is the other combination. Now, so two-tail coin, fair coin, two-tail coin, two-headed coin. We need to see all the possible ways now. That's what they has mentioned clearly in the problem. You see, a coin is picked randomly from the box and tossed. I have taken one coin, the one coin is tossed. Yes, out after that the coin we put separately out of the two remaining coins, and that coin is not replaced again. Out of the two remaining coins in the box, one coin is picked and tossed again. That is a problem they given. And now tell me now here, finally we can simplify it now. So what is a P of H1 intersection H2? H1 intersection H2, which is given this is so here, yes, 1 by 12 plus, so this value 0 na here, Yes, this is 1 by 12. Right, this is 0. Yes, this 0, 0. Yes, only this thing now here. So which will get it as 1 by 6. 1 by 6. This is what now here? H1 intersection H2. और हमको क्या चाहिए? Tell me now here. P of H1 is required. That means first time I need to get the head required. First time I need to get the head. P of H1 बोलो. P of H1 means first time I need to get the head. Now you tell me now the 3 coins are inside the box. Tell me probability of taking the fair coin. That is first time मुझे fair coin मिला. Fair coin मिला तो if I toss that one, probability of getting a head is 1 by 2. Plus अगर first time what the probability of getting 2-headed coin is 1 by 3. Getting the head from that coin is what? Tell me. One only na. It is a sure event. 2-headed coin both side head only. Next probability of getting a tail is what? 2-tail coin is 1 by 3, and probability of getting a head from the 2-tail coin is 0. No head na. So that's why how much this value? Tell me now here. This is 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. So this value which is equal to 3 by 2. Isn't it? So which is equal to 1 by 2. Check it all of you. Now, so now see the problem what they are asking here. Yes, if the first toss is head, second toss is also head only. This is the thing they ask in a conditional probability. First time head they know, already know, and we need to get the second time also head only required. So that is how much this value? Tell me now here. This is 1 by 6 by 1 by 2. So which is given as what we can say? This is 1 by 3. बहुत बढ़िया problem A B. समझ में आया ना सभी को? लॉजिक समझना, दैट इज अ मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग. लंबा नहीं, लॉजिक है. ये इतना लंबा नहीं है. ये सो जल्दी हो जाएगा ना, 1 मिनट के अंदर हो जाएगा. एक अगर सो अच्छा से समझ में ये तो ऐसा स्टेप्स लिखने का जरूरत भी नहीं ना. आपका प्रॉब्लम अच्छे से समझ में आया तो 1-2 बार किया तो किया, एक बार फटाफट हो जाएगा, डायरेक्टली हम लिख सकता. हाँ, यस, आपको दिमाग से बहुत अच्छा से चलना पड़ेगा. डन. नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम. ये भी अच्छा प्रॉब्लम देख लो. देयर आर 5 bags each containing identical sets of 10 distinct chocolates. One chocolate is picked from each bag. The probability that at least 2 chocolates are identical. The probability that at least 2 must be identical होना पड़ेगा. The 2 chocolate must come under the same. Yes, tell me now here. They are the 5 bags. Let us consider we have taken the 5 bags. हमने ले लिया. Yes, each bag contains what now here? So here, different state chocolate. One chocolate is picked from each bag. The probability that at least two chocolate must be same. How many chocolates are picked? You tell me. 5 chocolates. How many chocolates are taken? You tell me. 5 chocolates we have taken. Each bag contain how many chocolates now here? 10 chocolates contains. Each bag contain how many chocolates are? 10 chocolates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The 10 chocolate it contains. Right. Now the thing is we have to see carefully the probability that at least two chocolates are identical means should come from the same state. So same district. Same districts we need to get it. Right, tell me now here. Now here, so this is at least two they are asking. I can do 1 minus none I can do. Here, there is no, at least one is not possible. So here at least one chocolate cannot be identical now. Identical chocolate means minimum two is required, not to say that both are same means now at least minimum two chocolates we need to pick now here. Yes or no? Right. So means what I can do here, I am finding the probability that, so here no chocolate is identical. That is 1 minus no identical. Yes or no? 1 minus no identical. Tell me now what we can do. So this is P is equal to 1 minus, tell me now here. Let us consider अगर इस बैग में, दिस फर्स्ट बैग में, so what I can take? I can take from the 10 any one I can take it. This bag I can take any one I can take now. So means what I can say now, 10 by 10. All of you tell me. Whether I can take 1 I can take, 2 I can take, 3 I can take, any one I can take it. 10 by 10. Next, here what we should do, tell me. Second bag, already let us consider we have taken, let us say this big chocolate we have taken, consider. अगर मैंने ये चॉकलेट को कंसिडर किया तो now we should not take the first one, we should take the other than first. Anyone I can take the second bag से, I can take the other than the first chocolate, I can take anyone I can take. Yes sir, now tell me. That means this is already gone, this is already gone now here. In this 9 combinations I can take anyone. So means what we can say, 9C1 by 10C1. Right, that means second chocolate we picked here. Next third bag may, so here tell me what happened. First one is already over, second one will be already over. So the only possibilities are what you tell me, 8 are there. I can take 8 from this bag now. Tell me now here, 8 by 8C1 by 10C1. And fourth में क्या लेना पड़ेगा? So first one taken, second one, third one, fourth one का possibility है. So means what we can say, how many are there now here? That is 7 by 10. Next, इधर 1, 2, 3, 4. Only thing is remaining 6 में एक लेना पड़ेगा. That is 6 by 10. 6C1 by 10C1. समझ में आया कि नहीं बोल? So which is given as? Now tell me now here answer क्या आएगा? So this is 1 minus, so this is 1 now here. So this is 9 into 8 into 7. This is 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 by 10 power 4. Yes, so that is how much is answer, you tell me. 1 minus, so this is 0.6976. Yeah. La 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 la. Lulu. Good problem. Yes, try this thing. यस, ये कॉन्सेप्ट है। सो ये कॉन्सेप्ट बढ़िया कॉन्सेप्ट है। अगर आपने 11th 12th अच्छा किया तो किया, मैथ्स बहुत इजी होगा। 11th 12th में मैथ्स ना आई ना, मैथ्स अगर आपको अच्छा हुआ तो किया। मैथमेटिक्स सारा गेट में 11th 12th का आई। इंजीनियरिंग मैथ्स से बहुत कम आएगा, इंजीनियरिंग मैथमेटिक्स से बहुत कम आएगा। यस, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा टॉपिक पूरा 11th 12th का मैथ्स आएगा। A die is rolled 3 times. Probability that exactly one odd number turns up among the 3 outcomes. Tell me. One odd number आना पड़ेगा. One odd number we need to get. So tell me now here. Die is rolled 3 times. The probability exactly one odd number turns up. Exactly one odd number आना पड़ेगा. Means what? ना 3 times हमने किया. Yes, so even and only one odd number होना पड़ेगा. Yes, tell me the probability here. Probability of getting the odd number is how much, you tell me? Odd one. Odd का probability कितना? So that is 1 by 2. Even का probability is 1 by 2. Yes, exactly 1. How many combination we can arrange them here, tell me? That is 3 factorial by 2 factorial. Tell me how much now here, which is equal to 3 by 8. Right, the number of combination. They didn't given the order, right? Order not given now. We can jumble कर सकता है इसको. We can do jumbling, चलेगा इधर. Next. Both faith coins are tossed simultaneously. The probability that at least one head and at least one tail has to come. At least one head and at least one tail होना पड़ेगा. So tell me now here, 4 coins we have tossed now here. So एक head होना पड़ेगा, एक tail जरूर होना पड़ेगा. एक head एक tail जरूर होना पड़ेगा. बस बाकी remaining we can choose it now here. I can take all heads, I can take it, tell me. And I can take, this is head and tail. Yes, next what we can say, tail and tail I can take now. These are the combinations, right? So means what we can say, this is probability which is equal to head probability 1 by 2, tail probability 1 by 2. So which is given 1 by 2 power 4. And इसका combinations देखो इधर how many? इसका combinations देखो how many are there. So this is what we can say now here, 4 factorial by 3 factorial. Arrangements we can see now. That means which is equal to 4. इसका देखो इधर, this is 4 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. So how much we'll get now here? This is 6 now. And this is what, tell me how many ways this one? Yes, this is 4 factorial by, so this is 3 factorial. So how many ways this thing here, which is equal to 4 ways. And total is how many, tell me? Right, total is how many, tell me now here? 14. So we should multiply this with 14. So means what now here? 14 by 16. So means what I can say here? 7 by 8. Done. Done. Next one. Assume for simplicity that young people all born in April month, okay, are collected in a room. Consider the event of at least two people in the room being born on the same date of the month. What is the smallest n so that the probability of this exceeds 0.5? Right. This problem is also like just now we have in chocolate, just as they can like this. Now here, what could be the n value so that the probability must be more than 0.5 होना पड़ेगा. Right. So here just understand n value we don't know. How many numbers we have kept in a room we don't know. Let us say n is equal to 2 हमने मान लिया तो consider just to understand. So now you tell me now here they are asking the smallest value of n here all are collected. Consider even that at least two people must be in the same date. Yeah, right. So I am doing this thing as a p of, see this thing here, 1 minus the date of birth should not be on the same date. 1 minus none we are doing here. Okay, so p is equal to 1 minus, then only we can able to do, otherwise there are so many any calculations hoga, so many agar we have taken the two fellows we have taken now here a and b, so then in a month we have 1 to 30 days are there. In a month we have 1 to 30 days are there. I have taken the person E and B. Now you tell me what happens now here. E and B we have taken only two persons only we have taken. So E and B both may born in the day one. They should born on the same date now. The first, a second, third, a fourth, fifth. There are so many combinations will come or not. यस 30 केसेस तक चलेगा. इसीलिए हमने सो व्हाट आई कैन डू, अगर अगर ये ने फर्स्ट तारीख में हुआ तो सो हियर मींस व्हाट आई कैन से वी आर डूइंग दैट प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट ई एंड बी शुड नॉट बोर्न ऑन द सेम डेट. अगर ये को फर्स्ट तारीख में हुआ तो बी मस्ट बी अदर देन फर्स्ट तारीख में होना पड़ेगा, बाकी बाकी 20 डे 9 डेज में होना पड़ेगा. ASA, that is 1 minus none. So here we are doing that one. Is it fine? Tell me all of you. So let us say A can have options. He can born on all the 30 days. He may born any day. He may born. Let us say A is born on the first. That means the probability of his born on the first is 30 by 30. नेक्स्ट द बी मस्ट बी बोर्न अदर देन द 30 में बोर्न करना पड़ेगा. यस और नो? बी शुड नॉट बी ऑन द फर्स्ट. नाउ ही शुड बी इन रिमेनिंग डेज में बोर्न करना पड़ेगा 29 by 30. ऑल ऑफ यू टेल मी. मजा आया? राइट. सो देन इफ यू सिंप्लीफाई दिस थिंग, ये वैल्यू प्रोबेबिलिटी कितना आएगा बोलो? हाउ मच द प्रोबेबिलिटी विल कम? 1 by 30 1 by 30 is this is less than, is it more than 50, exceeds 50.5? It is not. So that means, so here we have taken option में 2 नहीं है actually. To understand we have taken n value 2. Okay, to understand abhi, so we can take this as least value of n. They given it is n is equal to 7 is there na. So let us verify with the 7 members are there. Now 7 members, let us say these persons are A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now you tell me now here the probability. If the first person born can have a 30 options and the second person have how many options, you tell me? Keval 29 options only na. In the 29 only he has to select it. And the third person can have, tell me now here, 28 options only. Next, fourth person can have 27 options only. Next, fifth person can have 26 options only. Next, sixth person have 25 options. Next, 24 options, 24 by 30. समझ में आया कि नहीं गोल? Now simplify, tell me the answer. क्या आएगा? इसका वैल्यू क्या आएगा चेक करके. So check whether this value more than 0.5 or not. We need to check it now. अगर ऐसा 0.5 से greater than है तो then option is 7. नहीं तो we need to check the some other. Next, आया. थोड़ा बढ़िया प्रॉब्लम्स है. सो ये इस पर कॉन्सेंट्रेट करना पड़ेगा. सो जनरली स्टूडेंट्स यूज्ड टू डू हियर simple they will do and they will feel that they know everything. So थोड़ा टफ प्रॉब्लम आए तो यार ये प्रॉब्लम सो एक सिलेबस में नहीं है, ये प्रॉब्लम ईसी के लिए आए, ये प्रॉब्लम मेरा ब्रांच के लिए नहीं है, ऐसा सोच के they used to skip the problem. Never do like this. Never do like this. So here because of that only, so you will face a problems in the test series में प्रॉब्लम आएगा and फाइनल एग्जाम में प्रॉब्लम आएगा. थोड़ा बढ़िया प्रॉब्लम आए तो इसका भी थोड़ा सोचो क्या करना. Try to understand the logic behind that problem. Yes, the final answer na. Yes, so this is 0.531, isn't it? So means obviously ये तो greater है ना, so then option is B. Done? ऐसा करना पड़ेगा. चलिए n लेके कितना तक चलेगा? So here we need to keep on, we can check it now here. कितना तक बनेगा? So here we need to check it now. 2, 3, 4, 5 we can't do randomly, we should choose now. Next one. The figure shows us the schematic of production process of mission ABC. Okay, missions ABC. An input job needs to be pre-processed either by A or B and is fed to the C, from which the final finished product comes out. The probabilities of failure of the missions are given, assuming the independency of failures of the missions. The probability that the given job is successfully processed. Tell me now either. Missions are given, successfully processed. Here tell me now here. How many combinations are there? You tell me now either. Agar we have given the input job ऐसा दिया, अगर, so here if it is, so here job must be processed करने के लिए, so that means what I can say is that the combinations now here. So this is A, B, C. We have, there are 3 machines are there. So you can tell me now how this thing situation now here. If this A is working, B is not working, C is working, चलेगा? A working, B not working and C working, चलेगा? जॉब प्रोसेस होगा, कंप्लीट हो जाएगा कि नहीं? नेक्स्ट, A is not working, B is working, C is working, चलेगा? नेक्स्ट, A working, B working, C also working, all are working. So C must be हमेशा working condition में होना पड़ेगा. Yes or no? C must be always working condition में होना पड़ेगा. Yes, tell me the combinations now here. So to be job has to be processed now here. The conditions are what I can say now here. P of A intersection B bar intersection C. This is one combination now. Next, tell me now here. P of A bar intersection B intersection C plus P of A intersection B intersection C. आया? Now they given that all these are independent events. Independent events means what we can say, P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B na. So this is P of A and this is P of B bar and this is P of C plus next P of A bar and P of B and P of C plus P of A, P of B and P of C. Yes, so which could be given as. So we can simplify it now here. P of B, P of C common. We know all these probabilities we know now. So this is P of A into this is P of B bar into P of C plus what we can say P of A, P of B, P of C we have taken common, P of B into, sorry, P of B into P of C we have taken common, then it will come it as what now, P of A bar plus P of A will come, right? So P of A plus P of A bar equal to 1. Now tell me now what we'll get here. P of A into P of B bar into P of C plus P of B into P of C. And substitute the values you know here. All the values we know now. So P of A is how much here they given? 0.5, 0.15, and P of B given 0.05. P of B bar means what to tell me? 0.95. Next P of C 0.1 plus P of B value 0.05, P of C value 0.1. So simplify, tell me the answer. How much will get? Hmm? Mm-hmm. Yes, so this is 0.01925. Yeah. Yes, this is for what you tell me now here. Yes, what we did now here, directly we did negative sense we did. You see this thing here, asking the probability that the given job is successfully processed. The given job must be successfully processed करने के लिए क्या चाहिए इधर tell me now here. हमने ये किया ना, so if this if A is working, C is working, B not working चलेगा, B working, B working, C working, A not working चलेगा, all working, O भी चलेगा ना इधर. So they are asking to find the probability, failure probability or successful probability they are asking. Failure, successful probability only ना. The job has to done. Job done के लिए, so then ये था combination side, isn't it? Yes. Next one. Can I take the next caller? An examination consists of two papers, paper 1, paper 2. The probability of failing in the paper 1 is given, paper 2 given that student has failed in paper 2, the probability of failing the paper 1 also, means the person is failed in the paper 2, he is already failed in the paper 2, so that we need to find the, he must be failed in paper 1 also, he has to fail, isn't it? A find out करना पड़ेगा. So means what we can do here, join conditional probability na, so this is P of P1 intersection P2 by P of P2, and so failing in one exam is independent of the other papers. Yes or no? Those are independent events, right? Paper 1, so this is what we can do here. Failing in one paper does not depends upon failure in the second paper. Those are independent events now, those are different exams, right? One second. What are they given? One second. The probability of failure in paper 1 is given, and that in paper 2 is given. Given that student has failed in paper 2, the probability of failing in paper 1. Okay. Arya. Nee. We need to find, we need to find what to tell me now. P of P1 intersection P2 we should find now, which could be given as what we can say, P of P2 into P of P1 by P2. Yes. So both paper failure is required. So which could be given as P of P2 is how much they given? Paper 2 failure is 0.2. And both papers this is given, 0.6 is given. So this is, so which is equal to 0.12. Next one. Consider two independent random variables x and y with identical distributions. The variables x and y can take a value 0, 1, 2 with a probability 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 respectively. What is the conditional probability that P of x plus y is equal to 2 minus P by x minus y is equal to 0? This is a possibilities they given. So yeah, now let us consider A, I am calling it as a x plus y, and B I am calling it as, tell me now here, x minus y. Okay, so that means they are asking to find the P of A. P of A must be equal to 2. A is 2, and the B is what to tell me we should get now here, 0 we should get. That's what they are asking to find. Means, so it should be given as what I can say now here. This is P of A intersection B by P of B na. P of B, conditional probability. So tell me now here, A means what to tell me now here, that is x plus y. So here we need to get sum, I should get it as a 2 I need to get. Sum 2 के लिए possibilities you tell me now here, 0, 2 A के लिए. This is one combinations, and 2, 0, this is one combinations, and 1 comma 1, this is another combinations. Yes, this is for sum 2 के लिए. Next, and B you tell me now here, B is what the condition you tell me now here, sum is 0 होना पड़ेगा. 0 का probability केवल 1 comma 1 है ना. This is only the possibilities, right? 2 comma 2 भी चलेगा ना. Okay, okay, 2 comma 2 भी चलेगा. Right. 0 comma 0, 0 भी आई. Okay, yeah, 0 भी आई. Yes, these possible combinations. So here that is 0 comma 0 भी होगा. Yes, this thing. Now you tell me now here this combinations, you tell me now probability इसमें. So you can see now here this is, and इधर intersection दोनों को common कितना है. So what are the common things we have, tell me there. Common things तो केवल एक ही है ना. Common things तो केवल एक ही है, that is 1 comma 1. Yes, so that is what you tell me now here, that is P of A must be equal to 1, isn't it? B must be equal to 1, that is only the combinations. By next, A must be 1, B must be 1, means what we can say here, we can write this thing as in terms of x we can write. Yes, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. This is the combinations, right? Next, P of B. B के लिए combinations बोलो इधर. In this case, what should be now here? How many combinations are there now here? This is x is equal to 0 and comma y is equal to 0. This is one combination, plus P of x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. This is another combination. Yes, plus P of x value 2, x is 2 comma y is 2. This is another combinations. Now you tell me, x is equal to 1 का probability कितना? X is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 का probability 1 by 2. Yes, y is equal to 1. That is probability also 1 by 2. So there is 1 by 2 now. No, 1 by 4 now. Is 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. 0 का probability is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 plus, yes, both are 2 probabilities. So this is 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. Simplify करके बोलो क्या आएगा. One by 6. Yes. कर लिया सभी ने. आया कि नहीं बोल. नेक्स्ट, First ball is white, second ball is red. That's all. White ka probability, what we can say now here, 4 by 7, and then red ka probability क्या है, so that is 3 by 6. डायरेक्टली गया ना, एक कंडीशनल किधर आपको, फर्स्ट बॉल इज वाइट बॉल ले लिया, फर्स्ट बॉल इज वाइट बॉल होगा, सेकेंड बॉल इज व्हाट, गिवन है ना, सो फर्स्ट बॉल इज गिवन, your first removed ball is white, okay, white ball is already given, so then second ball must be red ball. Red balls are how many are there, you tell me now, 3, so that is 3, so here we have 6, which is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, they already given now, so means first ball compulsory already given, means that is a sure event now, sure event. First ball the color they already mentioned, so एक बार remove करने के बाद how many balls are there, 3 white balls, 3 red balls are there. So first red ball remove करने के बाद क्या मिलेगा, so here yes 3 white balls मिलेगा, 3 red balls मिलेगा, इससे हमको red ball चाहिए, so 3 by 6. डायरेक्टली हम लिख सकते हैं ना ऐसा. Is this thing clear, मैंने जो किया? डायरेक्ट ना है तो हियर देन कंडीशन प्रॉपर्टी यूज करना पड़ेगा. सो व्हाट नाउ हियर, फर्स्ट बॉल इज वाइट, सेकंड बॉल इज राइट, सो ये करना पड़ेगा ना, वाइट बाय वाइट. yes, so it should be given as ऐसा कंडीशन प्रॉपर्टी फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. So that should be given as what we can write now here, that is R intersection W by P of W. Now if we have taken this as P of W by R we have taken, so it will becomes what now, P of W intersection R by P of W. So this, from this we can say P of W intersection R into P of equal to what I will get to tell me now here, P of W by R into P of W, right? So means intersection, so R intersection W, W intersection R, so both are same, so it means what I can say now, P of R by W, which is equal to, I can write this thing as, this will get cancelled now. What we can write now here, which is equal to, sorry, denominator W R na, so this is denominator is what, R na, ये था mistake है. Then it will becomes what we can say now here, this value we can replace here, so then that is P of W by R into P of R by P of W, ऐसा लिखना पड़ेगा. So इससे अलावा, so then this is the way we can do. Yes, independent we can write it as what now here, Independent directly we can write also. If they are independent, so we can write it as P of W intersection R. A intersection B independent means P of A into P of B. Done. Next. A box contains 2 washers, 3 nuts, 4 bolts. Items are drawn from the box at a random one at a time without replacement. The probability of drawing 2 watches first, followed by 3 nuts, subsequently 4 bolts. I need to get this order, I need to get. So here first we need to get the watches होना पड़ेगा, 2 watches. इसके बाद 3 bolts होना पड़ेगा. हाँ, so nuts we need to have, nuts not here. Nuts we need to have. इसके बाद bolts होना पड़ेगा. This is the order we need to take out. Tell me now here, 2 watches are there, 2 से लेना पड़ेगा. Totally how many are there? Tell me now here, 9. 2 by 9. And so second, only one watcher now here. Total it is 8. Nuts. 3 nuts are there, so what we can say now here, 3 by 7. Next, 2 nuts, that is 2 by 6. And 1 by 5. Next, bolts. How many bolts are there? Tell me now here, 4 bolts. Now that is 4 by 4. Yes, 3 by 3. Next, 2 by 2. 1 by 1. After take out from the watches and nuts, इसमें अंदर क्या है, केवल बोल्ट्स है ना, so इसलिए probability 1 होगा. Yes, how much is answer, you tell me? हाँ, तो 6 को कैंसिल हो गया and this is next. What else you tell me now? 2 4 को कैंसिल हो गया. न्यूमरेटर में कुछ भी नहीं बचा, so this is 1 by, so 9 into 7 into 5. How much is value? 36 into 35. One by 1260. Hello. Hello. Next, if 2 fair coins are flipped and at least one of the outcome is known to be head, what is the probability that both outcomes are head only? One of the outcome is head and the both outcome must be head only. That means all must be heads only we should require. Now can you tell me the sample space? Sample space, tell me now here, so that one outcome is compulsory head. One is head tail, this is one combination, and tail head, this is other combination, head head, this is the other combination. बोलिए. In all these cases, one of the outcome is head. इसमें हमारा फेवरेबल इवेंट क्या है, बोथ आउटकम्स मस्ट बी हेड, सो दिस इज द ओनली द फेवरेबल इवेंट ना, टेल मी. So that means what I can say now, probability that is 1 by 3. Okay. बन गया. Next one. Parcels from sender ES to receiver are passed sequentially through two post office. Each post office has a probability 1 by 5 of losing an incoming parcel independently of all other parcels. Okay, given that parcel is lost, the probability that it was lost by the second post office. Tell me. Second post office means receiver post office. I think शायद आप सभी ने हियर आपका एटीएम कार्ड कुरियर किया कि नहीं. शायद अब बट लेकिन अभी तक हमको नहीं मिल रहा. शायद ये पोस्ट ऑफिस वाला ने गलत किया होगा. पोस्ट ऑफिस वाला ने ऐसा गलत किया होगा, इसलिए अभी तक मुझे नहीं मिल रहा. This is the post office 1, this is the post office 2. Means we are calling parcel from sender S to receiver. So this means post office 1 I am calling, and this is the second post office. Here is the sender. Sender will give to the post office 1. After receiving the second post office, that will be given to the dispatch to the receiver like this. Right. Each post office has a probability of 1 by 5 of losing an incoming parcel. Yes, 1 by 5 is losing the incoming parcel independently of all other parcels. Losing probability they given as a 1 by 5, right? Right. Now tell me now here, the here what is the probability of losing the parcel by the P1 losing the parcel, which is equal to 1 by 5, and what is the probability of loss by the second post office is equal to, that is also 1 by 5 only. Yes. Now tell me now here, we need to find the probability that the parcel is lost already. Now tell me, can you tell me probability of parcel lost, you tell me. Probability किधर lost होगा, you tell me now. Either post office 1 में lost होगा या post office 2 में lost होगा. Tell me now here, what is the post office 1 में lost होने का probability क्या है, tell me. Post office 1 में lost हुआ, what is the probability of post office 1 में lost हुआ, that is 1 by 5 plus, and post office 2 में lost हुआ. Yes, to lost in the post office 2, that means what now here, the parcel must be reached to the post office 2 now. That means so here post office 1 में lost नहीं किया safely, so they will send to the post office 2. And what's the probability of the post office one does not lost the parcel? Yes, that is how much you tell me now, 4 by 5. So here post office one में कोई गलत नहीं किया, ये इधर पहुंच दिया, पहुंचने के लिए probability is 4 by 5. Now that reached parcel post office 2 ने lost किया, इसका probability क्या है? That is 1 by 5. all of you ये समझ में आया? Right. Now this is the probability of losing the parcel by post office one, and this is losing the parcel by second post office. हमको किस पोस्ट ऑफिस में पार्सल लूज करना पड़ेगा? पार्सल किधर? लॉस्ट बाय सेकंड पोस्ट ऑफिस, सेकंड वाला. सो तो क्या करना? सेकंड वाला ऊपर लिखना पड़ेगा. यस, ये तो बच्चा बेस थ्योरम. all of you. सेकेंड पोस्ट ऑफिस वाला ने पार्सल को लुप्त किया. गायब कर दिया. डन. Next, a screening test is carried out to detect a certain disease. A screening test is carried out to detect a certain disease. It is found that 12% of the positive reports and 15% of the negative reports are incorrect. 12% and 15%. Okay. Assume that the probability of a person getting positive report is 0.01. The probability that the person tested gets an incorrect report. See this thing here. A screening test was done for the person. Some person A को screening test किया. When he did a screening test, so क्या होगा? उनको a positive आएगा या नेगेटिव भी आएगा. It may be positive, may be negative. It may be positive, it may be negative. First thing, yes or no? He will be tested as a positive, he may be tested as a negative. Right. Now, इन्होंने क्या दिया? You see this thing here. Now they given the probability of a person getting positive report is this much. Positive report का probability दिया, that is 0.01 दिया. Means obviously negative report का probability कितना? 0.99. and thereafter what else they given? You see, yes, it is found that 12% are the positive reports and the 15% of the negative reports are incorrect. Means उनको positive, that means he tested he got a positive report. He got that report may be correct, may not be correct. The report he got, it may be correct, may not be get correct. So means, so that report may be correct, may not be correct. Again, it may be correct, may not be correct. So here this may be correct and it may be a wrong. So 12% are the positive reports, means what we can say here, 0.12. 12% of positive reports are incorrect. So means what now here? Wrong now. This is 0.12 are wrong. That means 0.88 are correct. 12% of the positive reports are wrong. Incorrect diya na. So that means those are wrong. That means 88% is correct. Next. इसमें either be, and this negative reports also may be correct, may be wrong. Negative reports, 15% of the negative reports are incorrect. Means what now? 15% means 0.15 are incorrect. That means what to tell me now? 0.85 are correct. यहाँ तक क्लियर हो गया बोलो सभी को? So the person has to get what report now here? Incorrect report has to get. Incorrect report means अब कहाँ मिलेगा? So the person को यह positive but it is wrong इधर मिलेगा and इधर भी मिलेगा negative but this is wrong. इस दोनों में मिलेगा ना? एक बात में wrong report चाहिए. Person has to receive the wrong report. Yes, tell me now here. So P is equal to. So this is positive report may be wrong ऐसा होगा plus negative report may be wrong होगा. Yes, so tell me now here. So what's the answer will come? This is 0.1497. Check it all of you. Done. चलिए next one. Next. Consider a company that assembles computers. The probability of faulty assembly is given as P. The company therefore subjects each computer to a testing process. This testing process gives correct result for any computer with a probability P. What is the probability of a computer being declared faulty? Yes, a company will manufacture some computers, and what they given here? They will manufacture computers, and now they given the probability of faulty assembly. So these computers, they may manufacture good or maybe fault. And they will manufacture the fault also. They may manufacture good, they may manufacture faulty. Yes, or the probability of manufacturing good is a, which is given as P. Sorry, faulty assembly given. No? Faulty assembly given as a P. That means good assembly means what I can say 1 minus P. Right. The company therefore subjected to each computer to a testing process. After manufacturing, what they are doing is that these computers are sending to testing process. After manufacturing, these are sending to what to tell me? Some testing process they are sending. Testing process. Each computer is passed through some testing unit. Testing unit they are passing. The testing unit may give the correct result and may be wrong result also possible. The testing unit, it may give correct result, may be wrong result it may give. And the testing, this process gives the correct results of any computer with a probability of P. Correct result probability is P. Wrong result Q now. Correct probability is Q. This is what to tell me now 1 minus Q. And this testing one, it may give the correct result, it may give the wrong result B. Correct result and the wrong result. So correct result probability Q, wrong result probability is 1 minus Q. Now finally what he is saying now here, what is the probability of a computer being declared faulty? It should be declared as a faulty means now here. So here, how, in which way we will get now here? In which way we will get now here? The probability here, in this case, actually the computer is good, but the result ने दिया, a wrong result दिया. That means what? Tell me. Wrong result दे. So here then we can treat that as a declared as a faulty. Actually, try to understand here. If it is a good, if the testing unit ने good दिया, that means that is the good computer. The actually that is a good, but the testing result ने wrong result दिया. That means we can treat that as a wrong faulty assembly we can say. हाँ ना. नहीं आया? Yes, actually the computer is good. Okay, computer is good, but after manufacturing computers that we are sending to testing unit, the testing unit may give a correct result, may be wrong result. If they given correct result means actually that is good. Good को हमने good certify किया means good only. Good को that is a गलत wrong certification किया, that means what I can say, wrong certification. Actually that is a good but wrong certification किया, that means that will be treated as a bad ना. All of you. नहीं आया? Now, and then the computer is faulty. Actual computer is fault if the testing result in a correct result दिया. That means what I can say, actually that is a fault. Fault को ये correct result means fault दिया. That means we can treat that as a faulty assembly. And if I say computer is faulty but testing result in a गलत दिया, that means what to tell me, it should be good ना here. Yes, now here at this location हमको क्या मिलेगा? Good मिलेगा, faulty assembly मिलेगा. Tell me that इसमें good मिलेगा, faulty assembly मिलेगा. This is good मिलेगा. Yes or no? Actually it is good. इन्होंने correct result दिया. इधर क्या मिलेगा बोलो? Yes, computer is good but लेकिन गलत दिया. So here will be faulty assembly मिलेगा. Yes, now here It is basically this a fault को correct दिया means what now, good or faulty? Here क्या मिलेगा, tell me now, faulty assembly मिलेगा, and here actually this is a faulty but गलत report दिया means what I can say now, correct means good one. All of you समझ में आया? हमको क्या चाहिए इधर, टेल मी इधर हमको क्या चाहिए, हमको फॉल्टी असेंबली डिक्लेरेशन करना पड़ेगा. सो इसमें मिलेगा, इसमें मिलेगा, इसमें भी फॉल्टी असेंबली मिलेगा. सो टेल मी नाउ फाइनली प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या है बोलो. दैट इज 1 माइनस पी इंटू 1 माइनस क्यू प्लस P into Q. Done. चलिए आया कि नहीं बोल. नेक्स्ट वन. An automobile plant contacted to buy a shock absorbers from two suppliers X, Y. X supplies 60%, Y supplies 40%. Okay. All the shock absorbers are subjected to a quality test. The one that passes the quality test are considered as reliable. Of X absorbers, 96% are reliable and from Y side 72 are reliable. The probability that a randomly chosen shock absorber which is found to be reliable is made by Y. Yes. Tell me now, first of all we'll find the shock absorber is reliable or not. First thing, shall we do the tree diagram? Will do. Shall we do the tree diagram से बनेगा? Yes, tell me now here. हम यहाँ से एक कंपनी को या शॉक अब्जॉर्बर चाहिए. सो उन्होंने दो कंपनी को चूज किया. सो दिस इज एक्स वाला एंड वाई से भी. सो दिस इज एक्स एंड वाई, टू कंपनी से. सो हियर दे वांट टू परचेज. एक्स से कितना ले लिया इधर. सो दिस इज 60%, वाई से 40%. हाँ, ट्री को टोटल प्रोबेबिलिटी, ट्री से हमको टोटल प्रोबेबिलिटी मिलेगा ट्री डायग्राम से. बट लेकिन इधर बेस थ्योरम चाहिए. आफ्टर दैट वी कैन मेक इट एज बेस थ्योरम. एंड दिस आउट ऑफ दिस एक्स, आउट ऑफ दिस वट एवर द एक्स इज सप्लाइंग, क्या होगा इसमें. सो दैट इसमें भी गुड भी होगा, इसमें भी गुड बैड भी होगा. नाउ व्हाट दे आर सेइंग इज all shock absorbers are sent a quality test, and of this 96% are X and 96% are reliable means good and bad. So this means 0.96 are good from here, and here how many bads are, tell me now here. 0.04 are bad. And Y say Y wala, how many are good, how many are defective both. So here tell me now, 72% are good means 0.72 are good means how much now, 0.38 are bad. Right. Now the probability that a randomly chosen shock absorber is must be reliable. Reliable आपको कहाँ मिलेगा, देखो इधर. Reliable आपको इस पार्ट में मिलेगा. इसमें रिलायबल मिलेगा एंड इसमें भी आपको रिलायबल मिलेगा. सो दैट मीन्स प्रोबेबिलिटी फॉर द रिलायबल क्या है, रिलायबल आपको कहाँ मिलेगा, दिस इज 0.6 into 0.96 plus that is 0.4 into 0.72. बस रिलायबल होगा इससे. Yes, now here हमको which one must be required now, y वाला. So this fellow, these are belongs to x वाला, these are belongs to y वाला ना. इधर y वाला को ऊपर डालो, y को घोड़े पर बिठाओ, that must be in the numerator में. So ये वाला, this is for what to tell me now, x के लिए and this is for tell me now y के लिए. So हमको y वाला चाहिए ना, इसीलिए y को घोड़े पर बिठाना पड़ेगा. टेल मी नाउ क्या ऑप्शन आएगा. हो okay, next one. The probability that student knows the correct answer to a multiple choice question is 2 by 3. Okay, he know the answer. If the student does not know the answer, then the student guess the answer. The probability of the guessed answer being correct is 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Given that the student has answered the question correctly, the conditional probability that student know the correct answer. Either be Bayes theorem, बच्चा Bayes theorem. So that means student is answering. Now here the thing is whether he may know the answer and he may not know the answer. He is know the answer. If he don't know, he will start guessing. And probability of he is know the answer, which is equal to 0.3. And probability of guessing, which is equal to, if you don't know, he will guess na, that is 1 by 3. Okay. Now you tell me now here the yes now. So इसमें whether he will guess corrected the answer, so it may be a correct भी होगा, it may be गलत होगा, it may be a wrong, correct, it may be a wrong. What is the probability of the guessing is correct, you tell me. Guessing probability correct, which is given as what, tell me, 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is guessing correct. Means guessing is wrong is what, tell me now here, 3 by 4. Next, and probability of he know the answer, it will be a correct, it will be a wrong. What is the probability of he know the answer, that is correct, you tell me. It must be definitely correct, sure event na. He know the answer. If he know the answer, definitely that is correct only. There is no chance for the wrong option na. Yes, that is wrong के लिए probability कितना, 0 आई. Hana goal. If we know the answer, he will choose a correct option only, he will choose the